Well, talking about the build quality of this phone, the back cover is made of a plastic which is absolutely a matte finish plastic, and here you can see there is a speaker which is a Dolby speaker, dual speaker, and on the side you can see there's a power key and the volume locker key, the charging port and the headset port, the jack, audio jack. Well, speaking about the camera is a 8 megapixel camera, a good clarity, and the front 2 megapixel, worth it. Well, in this video I am going to insert the memory card and also the SIM card, and we will take a look. Okay, so we are going to insert the SIM. The SIM 1 is a 4G SIM and the SIM 2 is a 2G SIM. So we will insert in SIM 1. This is a 32 GB memory card. You can only expand your storage till 32 GB. The back cover is easy to remove. The first boot of this device took a lot of time, almost 4 minutes. Let's take a quick look. Settings. In the device information, it's an Android 4.4.4 KitKat. The RAM is 2 GB. And the CPU is quad-core 1.2 GHz. That's all you need for a lag-free experience on this device. The ROM is 16 GB and you can also expand with a 32 GB memory card. There are a lot of bloatwares. As you can see, there is a game like Tap the Frog, Green Farm 3, Asphalt 8, Real Football 2015, which is a demo. You have to purchase it. And this is a Spider-Man Ultimate. Well, moving on, I played these 3 games. If you want to watch the gaming review on this device, then click the link above. I have also given the link in the description below. Well, seriously, after playing the game, this device, well, talking about the bloatwares, in the tools you have UC Browser, Evernote, Truecaller, Guerra Music, much more. Let's now talk about the camera. I must say, good clarity, touch to focus, really great pick, worth it. 8 megapixel camera, not bad. Let me take a selfie. Well, the 2 megapixel camera is great, and this is the 8 megapixel camera, not bad. Let's take a photo in HDR. Right click. Let's take without focus and off the HDR. I have installed the Messenger. This was not a pre-installed app, and I installed these 3 games. Rest of this are pre-installed app. Well, let's go to YouTube and let's watch our videos. If you like our videos, then please click the subscribe button below. Come on guys, don't be lazy, just click that button. Let's watch Dead Trigger 2 gameplay. If you want to know about the speakers are not loud enough, you know. I'm not happy with the speakers, the performance of the speaker. Well, if you hold the home button, it will take you to the Google, and if you want to, you know, shut down the recent apps, you have to hold here. Just click this cleaner. That's it. And if you want to change the theme, then you have to just click it, not hold it. And here are 2 themes. No, we cannot download any more themes. Well, after installing few applications, now we will see the RAM. As you can see, only 11 GB is available for user from 16 GB. Actually, we can uninstall this Evernote, Asphalt 8. That's cool. Well, speaking about the display is good, worth it. IPS display. Do some browsing on Google Chrome. The Google Chrome is the default browser for this device. Well, it's working pretty smooth. The camera is satisfying. The camera is good. The front camera is good. Both the cameras are working good. In the clarity, well, speaking about the speaker, I am a little disappointed with the speakers. Display is good. You can register for this device from the link given in the description below. That's all. Well guys, after using this device for 2 days, I've used this device for 2 days, and I found that this device is great at this price range, but when you play a high graphic game, the mobile doesn't become warm, it becomes hot. You can feel the burning sensation on your hand, as I told in that video. If you have not watched that video, then just click above. And the display of this device is great. It's an IPS display, a 5-inch display, which is more than sufficient. Talking about the camera is 8 megapixel and the front facing camera is 2 megapixel. Well, the clarity of that 8 megapixel is great, and also of the front. Speaking about the Dolby speakers which are at the back of the device, the speakers are not loud enough. I'm little disappointed with the speakers of this device. Well, talking about the build quality is great. The back cover is made of perfectly a matte finish back cover. Guys, if you have any question related to this device, then just comment below. I will reply to each and everyone's comment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then just click the like button and also hit the subscribe button.